our new microwave oven, guys. Daddy buy us one today because our old microwave is broke. So let's see, guys. He want to unbox this one. Okay, Daddy unbox. Hopefully they're the same.
I was trying to think. The other ones look small inside. That's why.
Oh, I can wait.
That is. Yeah. This one is gonna get. Okay, pull the plastic.
It's not like bigger though.
Yeah, well, in the store it's kind of hard to tell the size.
Yeah, the one's in a box. Right?
No, like
Oh, they have one on display?
they have them on display, but they're in a big aisle.
Yeah.
So,
they have the big
guys,
ones next to small,
Small ones, yeah.
It's done.
Might be bigger.
It's yeah, it is bigger.
Okay. That's what I think.
Yeah, that's all right.
That's
It's a bigger microwave, but it still fits.
Then I could have got the 119. This was 169.
That's it, guys. This is our new microwave oven, guys.